Lord's are the earth and its fullness, the world and those who dwell in it. For he founded it upon the seas, and established it upon the rivers. Lord, this is the people that longs to see your face. Who can ascend the mountain of the Lord? Who may stand in his holy place? One whose hands are sinless, whose heart is clean, who desires not what is in vain. Lord, this is the people that longs to see your face. You shall receive a blessing from the Lord, a reward from God his Savior. Such is the rest that seeks me, that seeks the face of God of Jacob. Lord, this is the people that longs to see your face.